Have you been forced to sell your home because of a divorce, or did your ex get the house in your divorce? If so, I am really sorry, and I wish it were happier circumstances that brought us together. Buying a new home should be fun and exciting. Being forced to buy a new home because of a divorce just kind of sucks. But in this video, I'm going to share a way you may be able to save on your next home purchase after a divorce. This is a little known lending loophole that could save you thousands of dollars on closing costs, reduce your interest rate, possibly both. Before I get rolling, I want to point out that this video is part of a playlist linked below. I designed it to help you navigate the house and mortgage-related aspects of your divorce with all the information you need to protect your credit, preserve your homeownership eligibility, and the point of this video, save money where possible. So like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos, and help the algorithm get this information out in front of as many folks as possible. So I want to get to it, and I'm going to start with what sounds like bad news, but stay tuned for a silver lining. In early 2023, the government made mortgages more expensive for most home buyers. I made another video with all the details about this if you're curious to know more, but in a nutshell, higher fees affect virtually all conventional loans, which is most mortgages in the US. But by charging extra fees to most borrowers, the goal is to raise revenue to provide discounts to other borrowers. So who gets these discounts? It's certain buyers with qualifying income that's at or below 100% of the median income in the area in which they're buying, or in designated high-cost areas, 120% of median income. Most lenders only offer these benefits to first-time home buyers. But if you co-owned a home that you lost in your divorce, either your ex got the house or you sold, you may qualify. You can look up what the median income for your area is in a tool on Fannie Mae's website. I've put that in the description below, but this is really critical. Make sure you have a knowledgeable, skilled lender in your corner. I'd happily nominate myself for the job. We can work together to qualify you for this little known loophole tied to your divorce and document your income in alignment with the area median income requirements. Use the links below to get started. And if you qualify, you can pocket the savings to reduce your loan fees or apply them to buy a lower rate and reduce your monthly payment. The choice will be yours. I hope to talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.